Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this template design with move transition in just 2 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you have to do is, first of all, open up a blank slide, and then what you have to do is just right click on it and insert an image in the background. We're gonna insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. The next thing we have to do is cover the image. Then we're gonna go to text box, and from here we're gonna insert our text in the text box, change the font, and we have to increase the size of our text box, give it a bold font as well. Next, what you have to do is just increase the text size, and then you have to change the font and the color of your text box. We're just going to increase its size. Let me just change its fill to white, and you can just give it a shadow or a reflection from shape effects. Then what you have to do is just select both the shapes and then subtract them. First select the rectangle, then the text box, then subtract them. The next thing you have to do is change the fill of the rectangle. I'm going to go with white. Then you're going to duplicate your slide, and what you have to do is just increase the size of the second rectangle on the second template. Here we go. Make sure that you increase the size fully. You have to make sure that none of the text boxes are corresponding with your template. Make it so large that your rectangle slide is inside of the space. Now select your template, give it more transition, and so yeah, this is the final result of what we made this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.